Welcome. Question number 3, WASSCE 2025 Nigeria, Section B. A company installs solar panels in its premises to reduce its electricity cost. So the monthly savings on electricity in Dallas is modeled by S equals to 200 plus 50x minus 2x squared, where x is a number of months after installment. So at what time will the savings on electricity stop increasing? Then we have to find the maximum savings of that happened in that particular month or year. Now, this is quadratic equation. So if you have a quadratic equation and x squared term coefficient is negative, it means that your curve is going to go this way to produce maximum. So it means that I'm going to have the curve in this way, where this is going to be the vertex, that is the maximum height of the graph. So if x is 1, the value you will get. When x is 2, the value will get to be bigger. X is 3, x is 4. As you are going, you are climbing, you are increasing. Now when you get to this particular vertex, the value there will stop. Then the next value you will pick will have to drop, since we are increasing and fall down. So they are asking for at what time, the time which is what, the x, at what value of x will the savings on electricity stop increasing. Here it is increasing with some value, but when they get to this place it will stop, then it begin to fall again. That is the vertex. And in finding the vertex, we can find the, let's say, the savings stop at what? The vertex, right? Therefore, x is equals to negative b over what? We have 2a, where the b and the a are just the coefficient. This is the coefficient of a, b, and c. So this is just going to be negative b. Where is the b? 50, 2 times a, which is now negative 2. So this, your x, is going to be 50 as negative, then negative 4. That gives you 25 on 2 equals to 12.5. So in terms of what? The same month, so 12.5. So therefore, the savings stop to increase. The savings stop, okay, to increase at this very month. I guess the concept is clear. Now, we are asked to find that maximum, the maximum saving. Where it is stopping, that is going to be the maximum saving. That's the value of x, or the month where we can have the highest word savings. Then after that month, then we are going to have a 4. You get it? So at the maximum, we are going to have x equals to 12.5. Therefore, x will now be 250 times x, which is 12.5, minus 2 times x, 12.5, all what? Square. Let's have 10 times that will give you 125 times 5. So 50 times 12.5 will give you 250, right? Because this is 125 times 5, right? I think that would rather be so this will give us 625, then minus, we have 2 multiplying 12.5 all square. That will also be 312.15. Let's see, we have 825 minus 312.5, and that will give you, this is going to be 52.50. So what is it? Maximum saving. Therefore, maximum savings is going to be in dollars. So $512.50. Guys, this is also an application of what? Quadratic what? Graph. Just to understand the vertex of a graph and the maximum. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.